It's just a short reminder really that this little Stiga, the CS100E, battery driven, I'm cutting just a bit of clearing around a pond here. And okay, they're really for a bit of log work and a bit of domestic garden work, but I can show you guys. Now look at that, that's a chunky bit of wood and it's clean cut. I did an undercut, which you should always do. You undercut under there and then you cut down and then you get no splitting at all. And there, it just shows you what a little battery saw can do round your garden.